So what we do in the lab, what we research is like look to the actives, antioxidant, combination of antioxidants available to get to a formula that contains enough antioxidants that will avoid at the maximum the formation of these free radicals. And on the experiment that we run in the lab, it's basically like we use a compound that has a probe, and we measure how much this antioxidant they are scavenging and reducing this molecule. So it turns from a color to another one, and then we can measure like the potential of this antioxidant. But we added these antioxidants to the formula, to the sunscreen, also to help, not only we want to block the UV, but any UV that's coming that can be leading to the production of free radicals. We are blocking also those free radicals to damage. And if there's some damage happening to the skin, the OS1 peptide is there to repair this damage. So we have 3 layers of protection with this shield formula. We protect the UV to get inside the skin. If it gets any kind of damage and formation of free radicals, we neutralize these free radicals with the use of antioxidants. If damage is made to the cells, the OS1 peptide is there to repair the damage.
Right. That's fascinating. I love how you explain that. There's 3 stages of defense available in this product that you've created, which is highly unique. I mean, to be able, we know we can block UV damage with sunscreens. That's not entirely novel. There's probably combinations of antioxidants we know we can put on the skin. One of the ones you use is vitamin C, and we'll dive into those in a moment. But having a unique combination of those that you've created through testing on human skin in the lab, and then having the OS1 peptide back that up to repair any damage that gets through that 3-step process, that's pretty impressive. So that's a really fascinating way to think of this sunscreen, as it's the 3 tiers of defense. And in using your technology, you were able to come up with 5 antioxidants to stick in that formulation. I'm just going to list off what they are. They're vitamin C, green tea extract, acai, taro fruit, and bisabolol. So just, you don't have to go into each of those in detail, but tell us a little bit about how you came up with that list of those 5 things.
So every time we are like searching for new actives, we are always like testing those actives in our lab to make sure that they are not causing any side effect, to make sure that the combination of actives will give the end result that we want. So we tested way more than these 5 actives in our lab. But we got to this combination that we saw a result on the scavenging of the free radicals that was way superior than other benchmarks that we were testing. So it kind of like was experimental. We were testing individual actives, the combination of different antioxidants, until we got to this 5 combination was the one that was performing better. And it's very important, this process of testing each active, because for instance, vitamin C is a very unstable molecule. And depending from the source that you're getting, like the vendor that you're getting, a lot of times the vitamin C, it's already oxidized and there's no antioxidant function on that vitamin C.